Hey, Togi. Togi. Okay, fine. Fine. Fine, Aldo. Go away. Go away. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is just a little bit of me venting on my way to work now. I experienced a female driver. Now, listen, I got nothing against female drivers. Nothing. There's some really good female drivers out there, but there's some of you that give like a bad name to the others. So, anyways, I was behind this woman, and then okay, wait, let me just. Dude, what the fuck are you braking for? Okay, at the time I didn't know it was female, to be honest with you. So, it was a guy, couldn't see. So you see her braking a bit hard on the hill there. And then, because I know that, like you can see I'm getting closer to her because I know the hill is faster. But first of all, she turns in the lane late, I'm already in the lane. And then she decides to go in front of me, super slow, brakes. Like right in front of me, I would be like, what's up? Fine, okay, that's already a little bit of like, what the hell? And then obviously, I passed her. I didn't know it was female, to be honest with you. And I don't know. I don't see gender. I'm super straight. I don't see gender. I don't see gender at all. All of the LGBTQ plus, whatever, fine with me, not a problem. So long as you're not messing in my business, I'm good. Anyway, so yeah, I passed her, and then she proceeded to go all the way to by the robot, by Dean Street, and flipped me the bird, man.
Hace 3 años, no With middle finger.
4 times. I only got the 4th time on camera because I was like, this is just rude. And you don't look at me. No eye contact. It was just like a, you know what I mean? So cocky. Like what the hell? You know what I mean? First of all, I was laughing my ass off in the car because it wasn't necessary. My passing her was perfectly legal. There was no solid line, no nothing. I passed her. Fine. Situation over. But you see. So my life lesson is, if someone is behind you like that, make sure you are driving correctly, because I'm already going at the speed. I was probably doing like not even 40 by the time she was braking, because it was that so slow. There's no robot there, so I don't know why she braked. Second of all, she proceeded to hit the brake harder, why? Other than like causing something stupid, why? You know what I mean? Past her and then get super cross and then drive all the way to by the robot next to me to flip me the bird. Yeah, life lesson here, just don't do that. Just don't do that. Just, you know what? Just don't do it. Okay? Plain and simple. If you're on the road, something may have happened, you maybe know you're a little bit wrong. If both parties were wrong, just leave it. Just let it go. Don't escalate the situation. Because I mean, I could have been the wrong person. And then what? You know what I mean? I'm super chill guy. I'm listening to my tunes. What? Anyways, I'm out. See you in the next video. Yeah, please like, subscribe. I will continue with this, but it will be just as things happen. So I'm not planning for this. But any situations that happen on the road, anything happens on the road that pisses you off, let me know down in the comments down below. But yeah, come on. See you guys in the bra. You alright? You alright? Yeah? Yeah, I'm alright. Okay.